But essentially, they think that the solution to too much moisture causing the ceilings to cave in is to just screw some pieces of wood to hold the ceiling up from caving down. Obviously, there's so much mold in this place as a result of how much water is here, but yeah, this is what we're dealing with. You can see the wood is kind of holding the ceiling in place, but you can see that it's very wavy, right? This is because there's so much moisture accumulation in this attic space because they have a metal roof and they don't have proper hot roof installation of the insulation, right? So hot and cold temperatures mix together, create condensation. This drywall is absorbing moisture like you wouldn't believe, and as a result, over time it's sagging. This is the house that is supposedly fixed or remediated, that the occupants and his family was moved into because the other house, the ceiling caved in, literally fell on the floor. As we can see, because they all have the same fundamental problem, it's only a matter of time for this ceiling is caving in and falling on the floor. So this HVAC system's not properly ducted, so the return of the system is below the machine here. In most homes, you have like a return grill somewhere, usually nearby the machine. They're basically trying to use this whole closet and these slats here as a return. Now, let me show you how much force is sucking through. The door just slammed shut on its own because there's not enough airflow that this return needs, which is why it should have been ducted. And as a result, you can look how much dust is accumulating in here, just pulling stuff all into here. The amount of mold and bacteria that's getting drawn into this machine, yeah, it's astronomical.
The mechanical closet is being used as the return register, which is against international mechanical code, going back many decades, I would say. So since that mechanical room now is the return register, and I've already verified it's unsealed, the mechanical room, that means every time this AC system cycles on, it's withdrawing the air from the walls of the mechanical room, which tie directly into the attic, which is just riddled with mold. So I'm trying to get my eyes on this mold, but the HVAC right now currently is pulling it straight down from the attic.
The mold is just growing on the back of that paper. That's all mold.
84.4% moisture content. You should be at 25.
3 times higher than what it should be.
The occupant did share with me that water came in about 6 feet with the whole lateral length of this back wall, and then ended up receding. And it's not like it flooded, no, it's just during a rain event. That's 70%, should be 0. That's 40%. That's 60. That's 40. 40 is wet. 60 obviously is wet. That's 50. And this top of the wall is 50. That's 90%. That's 80%. So this aligns with sick building syndrome.
If the military's objective is to grow mold in these places and not house people, they're doing an A+ job. Mission accomplished.